Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Popple Backyard Farm. The innards of my shoe fell out, so I'm going to show you how I fix that. So what I do is I just cut I cut a big pair of socks and I measure it pretty much just to be on the flat bottom. You don't want it to be curling up or anything or you're going to see it. And then I took the top part of the sock so it's nice and cushy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it inside my shoe like this, okay? And I'm going to hot glue the bottom end, then put this on top, and then my shoe will be fixed. And it works out great. And if your innards fall out like this one did, it's just a fast fix. Just hot glue it in. Okay, guys, I hope that this is helpful to you. Or maybe you just want to add some extra cushion to your feet and don't want to keep buying those insoles. You can do something like that. And it works great. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.